related to the finest fraction of ecopyren 3.5, just to show the possibility to gain the product with the most finest material, with the most good, the best quality. For the chemistry of magnesium, it was applied the same limits as for raw brucite, 64% and 66%. As you see that finally the situation after some oscillation in the beginning, finally in the current situation the chemical content of magnesium completely lies within these limits, narrow limits. Grain size statistics. So you see that there are two main parameters which responsible for the quality of grain size in the powder. There is a D50 and D90. We also collected this statistic for these two parameters. We decided to choose 3 micron to 4 micron for D50 and from 9 micron to 11 micron for D90. As in previous case, after initial oscillation in the 2012, when the limits were applied, there is some this oscillation reduced from year to year, and finally all the composition, particle size became within narrow limits. Moisture. Also, you can see that the moisture is now almost within protected limits of 0.5%. It was obtained from the experience that this limit does not provide any adverse effect on cable compound composition. The same situation is for iron content. As the most dangerous component, it should be kept as minimum as possible, and we decided to choose 0.13% of iron oxide content, and this limit is completely satisfied with the cable compound industry, so it's almost laying within this limit. Finally, we produced following grades of ecopyren. Ecopyren 3.5, the finest grade, it produced in two forms, with and without treatment of stearic acid. Ecopyren 5.5 is transitional grade. It goes mostly for the cables and jacketing. And ecopyren 10 and ecopyren LD mostly for bedding compounds. All grades may be used in both in PVC and HFR cabling compound. And some conclusion for this report. So the flame retardants based on natural magnesium hydroxide may have the same level of consistency as in case of such benchmarks like synthetic magnesium hydroxide, aluminum trihydrate. Sufficient quality consistency may be achieved if systematic quality control and is applied on every stage of production, starting from raw brucite, continuing to the production of final flame retardant. But it is important to integrate this production scheme. You should keep an eye on every step of production, from starting from raw brucite, finally going to flame retardant. And we are working day by day just to improve the quality of the ecopyren and providing some research work to apply this ecopyren in different flame retardant components, cable compounds, just to keep the quality consistency of this flame retardant in different cable application. Thank you for your attention.